Today, Ferrari has officially revealed something very special: the all-new Ferrari Amalfi Spider, a stunning open-top grand tourer that blends breathtaking performance with everyday versatility. Designed for drivers who want the thrill of open-air motoring without sacrificing comfort or practicality, the Amalfi Spider represents Ferrari's modern interpretation of the classic front-engine V8 Spider. At first glance, the design is unmistakably Ferrari. Created by the Flavio Manzoni and the Ferrari Design Studio, the Amalfi Spider maintains the elegant proportions of the coupe while integrating a beautifully engineered fabric soft top. The silhouette is sleek, fluid, and sculptural. With the roof up or down, the car retains its signature Ferrari character. One highlight is the new launch color called Rosso Tramonto, inspired by the sunset over Italy's famous Amalfi Coast. This deep red finish with subtle orange undertones enhances the car's sculpted bodywork and gives it an unmistakable presence. But the real magic happens when the roof comes down. The fabric's soft top opens in just 13.5 seconds and can even be operated while driving at speeds up to 60 kilometers per hour. Ferrari engineered the roof to be incredibly compact when folded, measuring only 220 millimeters thick, which helps preserve valuable trunk space. With the roof closed, the car offers 255 liters of luggage capacity, and even with the roof open, you still get 172 liters, making the Amalfi Spider surprisingly practical for weekend getaways. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin designed around Ferrari's dual cockpit philosophy. The driver and passenger each get their own dedicated space, creating a cockpit that feels both sporty and luxurious. The technology is equally impressive. A 15.6-inch digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch central touchscreen, and an 8.8-inch passenger display provide access to everything from performance data to multimedia controls. Ferrari has also brought back something enthusiasts will love: physical steering wheel buttons, along with the iconic aluminum start button that immediately connects driver and machine. Under the hood, the Amalfi Spider features the latest evolution of Ferrari's award-winning 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 from the legendary F154 engine family. This powerhouse produces 640 horsepower, revs up to 7,600 RPM, and delivers razor-sharp throttle response thanks to advanced turbocharger management and lightweight engine components. Power is sent through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, originally introduced on the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, delivering lightning-fast gear changes and smooth performance whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the car on a mountain road. Aerodynamics also play a huge role in the Amalfi Spider's performance. At the rear, an active spoiler automatically adjusts between three configurations: low drag, medium downforce, and high downforce, depending on speed and driving conditions. In its most aggressive setting, the spoiler can generate up to 110 kilograms of additional downforce at 250 kilometers per hour, improving stability and confidence at high speeds. Ferrari also focused heavily on comfort when driving with the roof down. An integrated wind deflector built into the rear seats helps reduce turbulence and noise in the cabin, creating a calm pocket of air even at higher speeds. When it comes to handling, the Amalfi Spider benefits from Ferrari's latest dynamic technologies. Advanced systems like Side Slip Control 6.1, brake-by-wire technology, and an evolved ABS system ensure the car remains precise, stable, and incredibly responsive. Drivers can tailor the experience using the iconic Monotino dial on the steering wheel, choosing between wet, comfort, sport, race, and ESC off modes. And despite its performance credentials, Ferrari hasn't forgotten everyday usability. The Amalfi Spider features a 2+ seating layout, meaning the rear seats can accommodate children or extra luggage. Ferrari is also including its 7-year genuine maintenance program, ensuring the car receives factory-level service and care throughout the first years of ownership. The result is a car that perfectly captures Ferrari's modern philosophy: breathtaking performance, unmistakable style, and the pure emotional thrill of driving with the sky above you. The Ferrari Amalfi Spider isn't just another convertible, it's Ferrari's vision of the ultimate open-top grand tourer. And for drivers who want speed, elegance, and the sound of a twin-turbo V8 echoing into the horizon. This might be one of the most exciting Ferrari Spiders in years.